It is important to understand what the steps are for performing unit conversions. Spend a few moments talking about just what those steps are. If you do not know where you are going, any path will take you there. The first step in performing unit conversions is to find a path from the starting unit to the target unit. Let's examine the steps. Here are the steps. The first thing you do is you find a path from the start unit to the target unit. For each step on the path, write a conversion equation. Using a conversion equation, form the unity fraction that will, when multiplying the start unit, cancel it and yield the next unit along the path. Repeat this process until the target unit is reached. Let's do an example. 1.60 pints is how many cups? We construct a path. We know that one path will take us to fluid ounces using the conversion equation. 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces. Once we get to fluid ounces, we know that we can get to cups by using the conversion equation. 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. Perform the conversion. Since the starting unit, pint, is in the numerator, we put 1 pint in the denominator of the first unity fraction. This cancels this pint. Since 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces, and anything over itself is a 1, we've effectively multiplied 1.60 pints by 1, or a unity fraction. Therefore, we have not changed the value, only the unit. Now have fluid ounces. The next unity fraction needs to cancel the fluid ounces to obtain cups. The fluid ounces are in the numerator. Put the 8 fluid ounces in the denominator of the next unity fraction, and therefore we can cancel it. This gives us that to 3 significant figures accuracy. 1.60 pints is 3.20 cups. Now let's do an example of a compound unit, meaning that there are units for the numerator and the denominator. Convert 65.45 nautical miles per hour, or knots, to meters per second. The path. Since this is a compound unit, we need a path for the numerator and for the denominator. For the numerator, we can use the path of a nautical mile to a mile, where 1 nautical mile is 1.15 miles. Then we can use 1 mile is 1,609 meters. For the denominator, 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. We can use that to go from hours to seconds. Since our path involves 3 steps, we need to multiply by 3 unity fractions. First of all, in the denominator, we need to cancel nautical miles. Since the nautical miles are in the numerator, cancel in our unity fraction, we put 1 nautical mile in the denominator, 1.15 miles in the numerator. Cancel the nautical miles. We need to cancel the miles. You see that the miles are in the numerator. Therefore, to cancel those, we need to put in our unity fraction 1 mile in the denominator and 1,609 meters in the numerator. Lastly, we need to cancel the hours. Hours are in the denominator. Therefore, in our unity fraction, we put the 1 hour in the numerator and the 3,600 seconds in the denominator. This gives us that 65.45 nautical miles per hour is 33.6 meters per second. Rounded to 3 significant figures because we used 3 significant figure conversion equation. Now that you have seen the steps for performing unit conversions, try some of the problems in your homework.